How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. So if you want to find recently watched videos on your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down and go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down again and you will have an option of activity log. Tap on activity log, and then if you want to find recently watched videos, then just simply go with your Facebook activity, and here you will have your post, comments, reactions, saved items, reels. So you just need to simply go with any option. Like for example, if I go with post, or if I go with comments and reactions, then you just need to simply go with likes and reactions, and here you will have all of the videos or photos in which you've reacted, right? Now if you go with post, then you will have all of the posts or photos that you've checked in or that are hidden from your profile. And if you scroll down, you'll have all of the posts that you're tagged in, and same way you will have messages, groups, reels. If you go with reels, then you will have your reels, the audios that you've saved, the effects that you've saved, or you can just simply swipe right, which is on the top, and here you will have an option of videos searched. Here you will have all of the videos that you've searched for. Or if you go with videos watched, then here you will have all of the videos that you've watched. So that's how you can find your recently watched videos on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.